Ikaw may nakita.
Ano ba yung napansin?
Parang
Oo. Hindi masyado natutukan ng mga tao eh. So ano pwede mga solution sa question?
Di ba kailangan natin ano to sa author?
This is the review document. If you can't approve it now, we can go back to the review stage. If you approve it, we'll go straight to the publish.
I'll approve it. You can now publish it. Come in.
On the document. There's the proposed.
There's something wrong in your document. I cannot approve it right now. You better update it.
So we will go to the update stage.
Yes, thank you.
Guys, what are reports? What happened? We need to update it.
What happened?
Should we start now?
Yes.
Okay, open
First.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Wait, what are you gonna do? Review it again?
Yes.
Then you're gonna ask for her to approve it again?
Yes. If not, then
What do you want? Let's do it.
Come in.
excuse me, these are updated versions.
So you change it already. Okay, I'll approve this one.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Come in.
Miss, this is the published form that you have been approved. What process should I take place?
You should distribute copies to each of the senior managers in the company.
Okay, miss. Good. Thank you.
Document review is a task performed by attorneys in anticipation of legal proceedings or during the discovery phase of litigation. In short, document review is another fact-finding technique, and we are Group T time again, and I'm Charlie Christopher Go,
Chino Fuentes.
And Emily Bunao.
and
Mary Moral.